Hi, this is Simon welcoming you to Q Central, level 31. There are 7 passenger lifts serving this floor. As soon as you come out from the lift lobby, you will be seeing the bathroom and pantries. And here you can see the highlight of this unit is the address number 3118. As you walk through, you can see this beautiful view of KL City. Here you can see the view of KL Tower, KLCC, Lake Gardens, Parliament, and Damansara. And just Q Central is located in the transport hub of KL Central, and just below Q Central is the MRT station. This spacious 1,066 square feet premium office has ducted aircon, T5 energy saving lights, and the aircon is chill water, where you pay only a very reasonable rates to the building management. And also there are all the underfloor trunking for your data and telephone cables. Just outside Unit 18 is the bath, the toilets and pantry. The premium toilet is very clean. Next to the male toilet is the handicapped toilet, then a female toilet, and also a common pantry for this floor. If you like to rent or buy this unit, please contact Simon at 012-481-6699. Thank you, and hear from you soon. Bye.